second grade. I am so excited about our new chapter book, Days with Frog and Toad. It was written by the same author who wrote our last book, Toad and Frog Are Friends. Can anybody guess what animals would be involved in this story? Well, I have one hanging out of my pocket right now, and this very, very little, tiny little patient one that's been sitting here is Frog. So we have Toad in my pocket, and we have Frog just hanging out here in my hand. So as you can tell, Miss Calhoun does not have a hard copy like you have at home. I had to make some copies because we didn't have enough books. So as we're reading the book together, I will follow along with you. I just have each chapter that I have copied and that I have cut out and stapled together. So the very first chapter that we will be reading is called Tomorrow. We all know that in our last story, Toad was the more responsible one, right? Toad was. Yes, I know. Toad agrees. Toad was the more responsible one. In our new story, Frog, yes, I know. Yes, Frog is the more responsible one. So, by reading the story tomorrow and then reading the other chapters that are in our book, our chapter book, we'll be able to see who is more responsible. Would it be Toad or is it going to be Frog? I'm so excited to read along with you with this story because I am kind of a little fan of frogs. I actually love frogs. So I am going to be excited to read along with this one with you, and while you're done, so I'm sorry. So I'm going to be excited to read this along with you and I'm really excited to see how much your reading has come along. And I'm sure your parents will as well because they're going to be listening to you read the story while you're at home. So what I'm going to have you do is we are going to, on Monday, I'm going to have you read chapter 1. Okay, so you'll read chapter 1, and then what you're going to do is you're going to read, actually in chapter 1 you're going to read pages 4 to 7 only on chapter 1. And then you're going to answer the question using a complete sentence. So here it says, why do you think Toad pulled the covers over his head? So what you're going to do is you're going to answer that question. Then you're going to go down on to the next question, which would be on Tuesday, and you're going to read pages 8 to 11. Then you're going to answer the questions, again, using complete sentences. What does it mean to take life easy? Then you're going to go to Wednesday, same. You're going to read pages 12 through 15. Then you're going to answer the questions using complete sentence. So on 4-1, which is Wednesday, why does Toad want to postpone all of his chores until tomorrow? Why? Well, you're not going to know why until you read the story. Then what you're going to do on Thursday is you are going to read pages 12 through 15, and then you're going to answer the questions for 4-2, what type of friend is Frog? And then down here where it says 4-3, I know that says Friday, but you can do that question as well on Thursday. If you want to wait and do it on Friday, that's perfectly fine as well. Friday's question says, what did Toad decide to do about his chores? Now this is a two-part question, so remember, one part, what did Todd decide to do? Toad, see, there I go again, I said Todd. Toad decided to do about his chores. First question. Then you're going to write that in a complete sentence, and then you're going to answer the second question, why? And that is going to be in a complete sentence as well. Now, when you're done doing that, you're actually going to come on Thursday, and we got a little fun thing to do. Now, this is new, so if you're not sure what to do, it is page 60. It is steps 1 through 4, and your parents can go ahead and your parents can help you if you're not quite sure how to do this because it is new and we haven't done this yet. But I am excited. I think you're going to love it because it is going to require for you to draw and color, which I know you four love to do. So remember, page 60 is called a picture walk. You're going to read 1 through 4, so it'll tell you what to do for page 61. So basically, I can tell you just quickly, you're going to write the title of the book here, you're going to write the author, and then you're going to write what happened in the beginning of the story, the middle of the story, and at the end of the story. Now remember, this is just for chapter 1 tomorrow. So, I hope that you guys love this new Days with Frog and Toad. Our friends here are excited about you reading their story. I can't wait to see you. I hope to see you guys soon. I can't wait to chat with you on Monday. Have a great evening. As you can tell, it's getting pretty dark here. And I will talk to you soon. I love you.